car 28, Dylan Jackson of Richmond. Starting in the third spot, car 11 out of Highland Springs, Bailey Moore. The 37 of T-Payne out of Gloucester starts fourth. Starting in. Flag on the speedway, we're underway. Donnie Durrell leads it down into turn number one with Dylan Jackson in third. Caution gonna fly. Green flag back out, we're back underway. Donnie Durrell in that car number 12 leads the state of senior champion. Back in the field. Up front, off turn number 4, challenge for the top spot. Dylan Jackson looks to the inside. On the 12 of Donnie Durrell, 2 leaders. Third now, Corey Roberts with 3 wide down into turn number 3. Roberts up to the 4th spot, and Dick Halley's in trouble. On to the 5. Chris Meehan with a wild ride on turn number 4. Outside finish. On the yellow. Green flag back out on the speedway, 28, Dylan Jackson leads him down the front stretch into turn number 1. Now contact in turn 3 and 4, the 02 of Gunner around, also the 12 of Warner, the 37. Off turn number 4, green flag back in the air. Dylan Jackson, Bailey Moore, Corey Roberts, your top 3. Down into turn number 1, single file. Now on turn number 2, Roberts. Doesn't make the move down the back straightaway. They say single file now on turn number 4. Roberts looks to the inside now, down into turn number 1. Now it's Dylan Jackson, Corey Roberts, and the 28 of Ryan O'Connor, your top 3. Stock Heavy Flathead, you're overdue on the grid. Stock Heavy Flathead, we need you on the grid. Halfway, 5 down, 5 to go. The back bumper of your leader down in 3 and 4. Roberts pushes that 28 of Jackson down the back stretch into turn number 3. This time by, they'll have 3 to go. Roberts side to the inside of the lead down in turn number 3. He'll take that spot. Jackson trying to find his way back into second, but Ryan O'Connor to his inside. 8 laps down, 2 to go. Battle for the second spot, let's start doing contact. And Dylan Jackson into the outside wall off turn number 2. Caution flag on the speedway. Green flag back out on the speedway. Corey Roberts, Ryan O'Connor, and Donnie Durrell now back into your top 3. 2 laps to go. Bailey Moore starts out, looks for the 3rd spot. Can't make it happen down into turn number 3. White flag on the speedway for the 44 of Corey Roberts. And Roberts side to the O'Connor in second, Durrell in 3rd. Through turn 3 and off turn number 4 down to the stripe.